Welcome to YouTube channel. This is Srinivas Sangoju. Today we are going to learn a new topic, irrational numbers in 9th class, first chapter. So, what are irrational numbers? We shall discuss in this class. In our last class we learnt rational numbers and also how to convert the rational numbers into decimal form and terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals. Already we have learned all these things in our earlier class. Now in this class we learn about irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Okay, let us take some examples. If you know the value 3 square is equal to 9. This is a rational number. 3 square is equal to 9 is rational number. And if 3 square is equal to 9, then root 9 equal to 3. We know that root 9 equal to 3. In 8th class we learned squares and square roots. In that class we discussed these things already. For example, 5 square that equals to 25 means root 25 is equal to 5. What is root 25? Square root of 25. Square root of 9. For example, 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. That means cube root of 8 equal to 2. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So, all these are rational numbers. Cube root of 8, cube square root of 25, square root of 9, all these numbers are rational numbers because these answers are rationals. So, these are rational numbers. Means, for example, cube root of 8 is equal to 2. That means 8 can be written in the form of 2 power cube, 2 power 3. So cube root of 8 is a rational number. 25 can be written in the form of 5 into square, 5 square. 25 can be written in the form of 5 square. Means if you multiply 5 2 times you will get 25. If you multiply 2 3 times you will get 8. So if you write any number, in the form of other numbers square or other numbers cube, then those are rational numbers. If you cannot write in this type, for example, 5, the number 5, can you write 5 in the form of 2 power any number power 2? Okay, let us think. Can we write 5 in the form of any other number square? What does it mean? Any number can you multiply 2 times, will you get 5? Any integer can you multiply 2 times to get 5? No number you cannot get. Any integer can be multiplied 2 times to get 5. There is no integer. What? So therefore square root of 5 is an irrational number. It is called irrational number. These are rational numbers, but this is irrational number. Square root of 5. This is irrational. One more example. For example, 10. Can you write the number 10 in any other numbers power 3? Can any number multiply 3 times to get 10? No, you cannot get any integer. So cube root of 10 is irrational. Cube root of 10 is irrational. So if in this case, if you cannot write any number in the form of square or in the form of cube or in the form of 4 power, then you will get irrational numbers. These are irrational numbers. In the same way, square root of 7, square root of 8, square root of 10, cube root of 2, cube root of 6. These all are irrational numbers. So now you have got some idea about irrational number. For example, n is a number. If you cannot write n any other numbers power x, then x root of n is irrational. Any number n, if you cannot write it in the form of some other numbers power x, then x root of n is irrational. This is the definition of irrational number. Okay, and in other way also we can express irrational number. What is irrational number means? Any rational number can be expressed in decimal form, either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Whereas irrational number, it is neither terminating nor non-terminating repeating. Means అది terminate కాదు plus repeat కూడా కాదు. అట్లాంటిది irrational number. Okay, in another way we can say, for example, 1.232342345, so on. It is neither terminating nor non-terminating repeating. Repeat కావట్లేదు, end కావట్లేదు. So we cannot use bar here because there is no particular part repeating. So this is an irrational number. 0.31405647. This type, neither terminating nor non-terminating repeating. So these type of decimals are also called irrational numbers, and these type of numbers are also irrational numbers. So this is about irrational number. I think you have got some idea about irrational number with this class. Okay.